Hello, hi, Sastriyakal ji. So I'm in Dubai and I'm going to the beach. This is a video get ready with me for the beach. And क्योंकि एंगल बहुत नीचे है तो मैं झुक झुक के बात कर रही हूँ, so please spare me. Step number 1. Lots and lots of sunscreen. I'm using Dot & Key का 50 plus SPF. So make sure whichever sunscreen you use, it should be moisturizing first. And second, it should be 50 plus SPF. So I'm using this watermelon one. And then you put basically 2 fingers of sunscreen minimum, and it should not have white cause, otherwise तुम सफेद भूत लगोगे जो किसी को नहीं लगना, ठीक है। और मुझे ये सनस्क्रीन बहुत अच्छी लगती है, बट इसमें वो फेविकॉल स्मेल है जो हम बचपन में फेविकॉल नहीं लगा देते, वो वाली स्मेल। सो यू कैन सी फॉर योरसेल्फ। और मैं इतना झुक के बात नहीं कर पाऊंगी। Step number 2, lots of moisturizer. Again, the moisturizer should be very glowy kind of. You can use MAC का stroke cream or this alternative which is Lakme Lumi Cream Moisturizer with Highlighter. Why? Because तुम glow करो from within. और क्योंकि ऐसे अंग्रेज लोग तुम देखोगे तो तुमको ऐसे वो ना हो जाए कि excuse me, why are these people glowing so much? यहाँ पर लगा लो एप्पल्स पे, और वैसे भी लगा सकते हो, ठीक है। एंड देन नॉट जस्ट ऑन द फेस, बिकॉज तुम बीच जा रहे हो तो इतना भर के सूट तो पहन के जा नहीं रहे हो, so you're gonna show them your body, so इसलिए। Now if you see, you will see the glow on my face. So base ready है, great. Step number 3, then you will put the concealer, because obviously you're not gonna put the foundation in this. Skip the foundation for sure if you're going to the beach, because cakey हो जाएगा उसके बाद थोड़ी देर बाद. So I'm using Pro Conceal LA Girl का, and the shade is creamy beige. So dark circles और जो भी black spots हैं, basically you can just apply on that, conceal that with the very bare minimum coverage, because obviously it's gonna look, with water it's gonna be smashed away, so better that you put as less products as you can. See the difference. So the fourth step is blush. So make sure you use the cream blush and not the powder blush, because पानी में बहुत ज़्यादा केकी हो जाएगा कुछ भी. If you use any powder makeup, it's gonna be very cakey. Put as much blush as you can, because it's gonna give you very pinkish tone. जब तुम भीग जाओगे उसके बाद blush की जगह पे रहेगा नहीं दो, but फिर भी आपको बहुत pinkish tone रहेगा फेस पे. Then fifth step is, which is weird but unique and nice, put any gloss which is shimmery maybe, or any transparent gloss preferably, or maybe a pink gloss you can use. I'm using Wet Cherry Lime Crime. ये basically अपने eyelids पे लगाना होता है. I know lips पे नहीं, eyelids पे, because it's gonna look nice with water, because आप eye shadow वगैरह नहीं लगा सकते हैं. It's gonna give you ऐसे dewy eye glow makeup look, which is gonna look nice. Then fifth step is, put any matte lipstick. So I'm using Maybelline का matte lipstick and any light shade, because बीच पे से dark shades उतने अच्छे नहीं लगते लिप्स पे. I'll put the shade below, or maybe I'm just telling you, which is 130 Self Starter. And then the sixth step is to use any light, very light lip gloss. So I'm using Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip to be on the top of it. So the science is कि आप पहले एक matte lipstick ले लो, so that it doesn't get removed with water. Then it's long lasting and smudge proof. And then using the lip gloss, it's actually gonna give you that dewy look, and it's gonna look nice, and it's gonna stay more if you put it on the matte lipstick and not directly on the lips. So yeah, I'm almost beach ready. Then the seventh step is, don't use the black mascara. Use any clear mascara. Basically I'm using ELF का clear mascara, because जब पानी आएगा तो बिल्कुल ऐसे black हो जाएंगी eyes, ऐसे लगेगा कि तुम रो के आते हो. So use any clear mascara. And if you don't have any lip gloss and anything like that, then you can put mascara on your eyelids also. So that gives you again the dewy thing, and it stays on your face. That's it. No powder. So basically the science said no powder makeup, lots of sunscreen, and 50 plus sunscreen, and then liquid lipstick and cream blush, so lots of cream stuff. So I have changed, and the eighth step is to change, obviously. एंड द कलर हैज़ टू बी वेरी वाइब्रेंट बिकॉज बीच पे से वाइब्रेंट कलर्स अच्छे लगते हैं. ट्राई टू पुट मोनोक्रोमैटिक कलर थीम एज इन ऊपर और नीचे दोनों सेम कलर्स पहनोगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छे स्लिम और सुंदर लगोगे. और यूज़ वाइब्रेंट कलर्स बिकॉज वो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं बीच पे. डोंट यूज़ ब्लैक और एनी डार्क कलर, स्पेशली वाइट, येलो, पिंक, लाइट blue. Everything is gonna look nice and you can or cannot wear earrings, that's your call. So I'm wearing these earrings because I like them, but you can actually let go of them because पानी से सब खराब जाएगा. So yeah. That's how I'm beach ready. Bye bye.